Hello guys, 你好, this is Gabby again. Welcome to Lesson 3. Before we start our new lesson, let's talk about the question we had from Lesson 2. In Lesson 2, we have learned the final E, and we get to know the tones E, 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 E. But you have noticed when I typed the E with the tones, they are totally different from with the tones, right? So first, let's talk about why. Why did I type E, 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 E like that? We mentioned in the beginning, the initials and finals in pinyin just work as consonants and vowels in English. So in English, the vowels itself can be a word. For example, a book. In this phrase, the letter A become a word, means one. So the finals can work the same in Mandarin pinyin. For example, the English word ant is yi in Chinese. So let's have a look. The single actually become a word here, right? Again, finals work as a vowel and it can be a word. But we also know handwriting and typing are different, right? Again, take the letter A, for example. When we handwrite it, it looks like this. But when we are typing it on the computer or on the cell phone, it becomes like that. This is actually called the transcription in language. Yeah, and we do have the transcription in Mandarin Chinese too. Yeah, that is E, 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 E. Yeah, you see the difference. So actually, when I was writing down the single final E, I just used the English typing because they look the same. But when I needed the tone for it, it doesn't work this way. That's why I borrowed this letter for help. This is actually sound E, just the single vowel E, but they just come with different looks. But again, they are the same. E is E. Keep that in mind. I think I have explained it clear and hope you guys understand it. Because today I'm going to continue use this. Yeah, I'm going to continue do the similar things with some new finals we're going to learn for today. Yeah, let's get started with our lesson 3. Okay, the first final for us today. With the tones. First tone. Second tone. Third tone. Fourth tone. That's the first final, and now let's get to the first initial. Now the first initial here, G. Again, too light, so we bring in for help. It become G, G. Yeah. Now initial with final, G, U, Gu, G, U, Gu, G, U, G, U, U, G, U, G, U, G, U, 歌物歌物故歌物故科科科乌哭科乌哭科科无苦科无苦科五科无苦科无苦科物科物库科物库科科科乌乌科乌乌科无科无科五科五虎科五虎科物科物户科物户